tama ka, no? My phone has been ringing off the hook for the past couple of days. Marami nga naman tumatawag. Iba ang advice ko sa congressman / congresswoman sa senador.
Yan.
Okay, interesting.
But same vein, just a different delivery system. Kasi pag congressman ka ngayon, talagang mas mas medyo ipit ka dahil quote-unquote ipit ka dahil nagkakaroon ng loyalty check. There is a clear loyalty check happening. The palace, disguise it as you may, no, as a Christmas party, fellowship, pinasundo ang mga ating mga mambabatas alas 6 ng umaga. Pinasundo ng booth. At they were bused to Malacanang, no? Tapos may roll call pa daw, di umano yung nangyari. Meron daw mga text brigade na nangyari, asking to explain bakit nandun, bakit wala si ganito, asan si ganyan. Di umano'y. There's obviously a loyalty check happening, no? But the problem is, on the Senate side, the signals are not good eh. Parang smoke signals yan eh. Kung impeachment ang pinag-uusapan, Congress, I'm almost sure that's going to get passed without justice committee hearings. I'm almost sure. 106 votes lang kailangan dyan eh. Pag midterm elections, quote-unquote, and I don't know if this saying will resonate with you guys, pero in my world, sa mundo ko, naks naman, parang shady character eh, no? Sa mundo ko may kasabihan eh. Pag midterm election, ang kusina nasa Kongreso. That's really the saying. The kitchen is really in the Congress. That's where the power anchor lies, in Congress during a midterm election. So kung congressman ka, congresswoman, try as you may to avoid it, which is, by the way, the advice I try to give to my clients as best as I can.
Yes.
Don't take a side. Try to be non-partisan. Syempre, vote according to your conscience, according to your belief. I had to say that, but I don't really say that. Joke. At the end of the day, let's face it, pag nagkaroon ng tinatawag na squeeze play, you will have to support the House. If you're a member of the House, you will have to support the House. If there's a loyalty check, a squeeze play, etc.,